start thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you feel it too.
Good morning, guys. Okay, you guys, I'm about to film a video with Casey. Well, first, I just realized that as usual, I forget to film my intro and I just started vlogging. So I already started vlogging my packing up to leave. You guys, it's time to start packing. I have to start early so that when I go to Uyo, I can have rest of mind. I'm coming back to pick my books and travel. So, Dana, where are you packing? Osas, are you too big to say hi to the camera? This one is still good. I've had these boxes for years. My mom bought it for all of us. She bought a set for all of us. Me, adults, Idima, Itero. My mom bought sets. We had it for like 6 years now. So you guys, it's time to pack. They're looking at me like I'm a clown, so let me just stop. Henrietta is making herself useful. Henrietta, say hi. When I watch these vlogs, I'll be very sad.
Can't you use this one as hand luggage? Must you buy new?
I don't need hand luggage, I need big box.
You said
I can use this one.
This one is still good now. Don't wait.
No, it's the one the welfare team wants to give me.
I mean, I just want your own.
Oh, it's true.
Hey,
But I can't carry with plenty. I can't travel with plenty hand luggage. So these are all BTL stuff. Oh, we have good in this house.
Telling me to find my sense, but you lost it. Sunny didn't join me, go figure out your own shit. You rip out my heart. I want back my heart. You rip out my heart. I want back my heart. What if I don't you break your heart? To tear your soul apart. I always love who you are, but there's something that feels wrong. What if I don't you break your heart? To tear your soul apart. I always love who you are, but there's something that feels wrong.
No, I'll wear pop socks, stockings under, and the thick one for winter with high heel with boots. Oh, Zainab, my winter fashion is going to pop. How about that? So I'm trying to sort out the clothes I'm still going to use while I'm still in Nigeria. I can't believe I'm saying that. So we're just sorting everything into boxes and bags. Things are way more than I thought they would be. Let me show you. Let me show you guys how much these things are. I thought they were going to be a lot smaller than this, but look, load and stuff. I'm telling you. So I can't believe now I have to fit my life into 30 kg. But it's gonna be fine. You're looking at me like you're used to it now, baby. Vlogger normally.
My name is Rhoda.
See all my wedding outfits.
This one looks like fine.
Is it where
This fine.
That shoe should be thrown away. If you wear it out, I can promise you that you fall down.
To tear your soul apart. I always love who you are, but there's something that feels wrong. What if I
What's inside this place?
You guys look at my Bobrisky lashes from when I used to sell Bobrisky lashes.
Oh my god.
Thousands of tears later.
So you guys, I ended up finishing all this packing at like 1 a.m. I made Casey stay up to 1 a.m. to pack with me because he was insisting. He said, oh, let's bond over the packing. I said, no problem, we'll pack. So you guys remember how this is chagala chagala. So see, these are the things I'm going to be going with. I don't know how to take my ring light anyways. Then these are all empty boxes. Thank God, because I was thinking I had to buy boxes before, but now I know I don't. These are the things Casey will bring for me. And these are things for giveaway and laundry. Giveaway, I'm doing giveaway for general stuff. Then the things in white I'd give away for my luxury robes for you business. I have to give away to some brides. And this small one is our laundry. So let me say at least 75% of the packing is done.
The next day.
Can't stop thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you really do.
My trip to Yaba Market for winter shopping.
I'll be alright. I'll be alright.
No.
I'll be alright. I'll be there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. Can't stop thinking of you.
Smile for the
I
camera.
swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you really do. Just tell me you feel it too. And I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'll be alright.
No, I want this.
I'll be alright. I'll be there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. It's there for you. It's you can't take. Can't stop thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby. Tell me if you really do. Just tell me you feel it too, and I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'll be
Come on, this market is very busy. Don't have your ass is gonna be my vlog. Like the last time.
Don't you break your heart?
Wait, I know.
Your soul apart. I always
So you guys, I was telling you guys in the vlog how I felt like I was already done, and Casey helped me almost finish up. And then my sister came. Let me show you guys. My sister came, and then she was like, "Where's your stuff?" I was like, "Okay, these are all empty boxes. These are the things for giveaway." I showed you guys now, and these are the things I'm traveling with. This ones. And my sister just laughed. Can you believe that I've been talking the whole time and it was not recording? Anyways, oh my god, that's so annoying. Anyway, so my sister came, and then she was like, "Are those the only things that you're planning to travel with?" And I was like, "Yeah, like I want to travel light." She's like, "You must be a clown, you must be a joker, like you want to pack up your whole life and live to another country with just those 2 boxes. What about your crayfish, your pepper, your food?" She was just listing off things that I never thought about. So she started calling her friends who have relocated. And shout out to my sister, she's extremely resourceful to me this period, like extremely resourceful, thinking about things that I don't even think about. Like she's literally thinking for me. So anyways, she started listing off things. She called one of her friends. Her friend has a whole email list of documents with the stuff you should go with. Then she also advised I join some Telegram groups and see what they have on there. So I pulled out the list from a Telegram group of people that have traveled or people that are about to travel. And they had a whole list of stuff: yam, potatoes, yaji, pepper, ugu. So I just filtered out the things I want to take with me. My sister was like, where are your winter clothes and everything? But don't you know that winter clothes are very expensive outside the country? So and I had to go Yaba. That's the part where I had to go Yaba market shopping with Zainab. Zainab took me to thrift shop for winter outfits. And then, like, so I've sent my mom the list of the things that are food items, because food items are going to be much cheaper for me to buy in Uyo. So my mom was like, okay, when you come, we'll go and do shopping. So I was like, okay, no problem. When I come, we'll go and do the food shopping and all the other things like soap, toiletries, all the things I did not think about, you guys. My sister was thinking about it for me. Because my mind, I'm like, I'm an OG when it comes to relocation. I'm like, these 2 boxes, I want to travel light. And says like, you must be a clown, you must be a joker. So anyways, yeah, that's what this vlog is going to be about, like packing up. I called my friends to come and help me with the packing. They'd be very resourceful. Casey was for me, let's bond over packing. So he also helped me to like tidy up everything. Then my sister came to see us and she's like, you must be a clown if you think this is all you're going to need. So there's also thrift shopping in Yaba market for winter clothes in this vlog, as well as you guys are going to see the food items me and my mom are going to go and shop for in Uyo and all the other tidbits. So it's a whole interesting relocation vlog. You guys should definitely watch it till the end. I always forget to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, let's interact. This is relocation vlog 2 and I'm so excited, as you can tell. So yeah, that's basically what it is. I'll see you guys in the next video, okay?
Can't stop thinking of you. I swear it's true. I just can't help it. I just can't take 1 second far from you, baby.